On WhatsApp there's an About section. Sometimes you may have added something in the About section. You might be thinking that only your contacts will be able to see it, but sometimes everyone can see it. So if you're having this problem and you want to set your About section so that only the people in your contacts can see it, you can do that. In this video we'll show you how to set the About section on WhatsApp in a way that only your contacts can see it. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, at the top you can see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots and here you can see the Settings option. Click on Settings. When you click on that, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo and here you can see the About option. Click on About. When you click on that, here you can see your current About text. If you want, you can edit it. And after that here you can see Visible in Chats too, and next to that you can see Everyone. That means everyone can see this About section. If you want only your contacts to see it, what you need to do is click on Everyone and select My Contacts. And after that you can go back and click on the tick button. And that setting will be saved. After that, only the people in your contacts can see this About section. So this way you can easily set the About section in WhatsApp so that only your contacts can see it. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.